Previously on Decisive, we recruited and trained new crew members.
1, go. As you clip correctly, I will check you afterwards.
Ran some training drills.
Then cruised to Hanama'ulu Bay,
Where we anchored
and hung out. A 40-foot boat, a crew of teenagers,
some adults,
and a cat or two, exploring Hawaii.
and learning along the way.
This is Cruising with Decisive. After anchoring in Hanama'ulu Bay, we enjoyed lots of free time, but then there was work to be done. Skipper wanted us to set a stern anchor, so we had to get to work.
So we're going to float back 125 feet, lower that anchor to the bottom, and then pull in line another back to where we are, and then you guys will pull in on this line. Does it make sense?
Yes. Yes, sir.
We got our stern anchor ready.
Slow.
Then floated back 125 feet.
50. So we're at 125 right now, right? Okay. 200 right there, right?
Deployed our stern anchor,
Tell me when to lower. Do I lower?
Hold forward again.
then set our stern anchor.
We're at 150.
That should keep us safe for the night. With the boat secured, we were able to just hang out for the rest of the night.
I'm Tyra. I'm 16 years old. I like to draw. I have a big family. I'm from Pittsburgh. I love animals and the ocean, obviously. That's I think it's a really cool experience. I didn't want to pass up on it. I think I could learn a lot. It's something outside of my comfort zone. I think it'd be fun. I'd be disciplined. I think it'd be really cool. I think I'd be good for bringing teamwork. I'm good with working with people, I think. I haven't been on a boat, so I wouldn't know. I do. I love cats.
Cool. Can you tell us about your tattoo? That's a real tattoo, yeah?
Yes.
And so you had to get, in Hawaii, you have to get permission, for parental permission, right?
Yeah.
Cool, alright. I know you said you like to draw, did you draw that piece?
No,
The artist?
no, I would never draw my own.
Okay.
All right, how was your first day on Decisive?
Amazing.
Did you get seasick?
A little bit.
And was the trip worth it?
Absolutely.
After a good night's sleep, we cooked a big breakfast
I'm making breakfast and it's going to be bacon and eggs. Yeah.
and cleaning the boat.
Abby, how's the dishes going? Good.
What's up, Sid?
And we couldn't resist having a little fun too.
And I just want to point out all of Micaiah's mistakes, including the fact that she did not update the bosun's board. She's.
What's up, MJ? How's it going?
Cleaning the stern deck.
Very nice.
I drive this boat. We endorse Tyra.
We spotted some whales outside the bay. so we took a break to watch them.
I'm putting up the whale flag because we saw some whales, and we do this so that people know what wildlife is around our area.
We had lots of fun watching the whales, but there was something our new crew members had to do. The thing.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.
We had lots of fun watching the whales, but there was something our new crew members had to do. The thing.
Tyra,
And you
Ava, and Abby.
report to the top deck.
Where the
and-
dinghy is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Otherwise known as the sun deck.
Yep.
And await your fate.
Yeah, we're gonna close it.
The tension was high as our new crew members waited. And one at a time, they learned
It was nice knowing you.
about the thing.
Oh, well.
We wish we could tell you more, but it's classified.
Then it was time for us to head home.
Okay, let's get a work turn on the bow.
Work turn.
Okay. Turn. Start pulling in line.
We slacked our forward anchor line so we could pull in our stern anchor.
Pull! It's coming, pull!
It was hard work.
Holy crap!
But teamwork pays off.
Come on, guys. Don't let go. Don't let go. We stowed our stern anchor.
And we were ready to go.
Coming ahead, take up slack as it comes.
We hold up the anchor.
Anchor forward!
And we were on our way home. The weather was perfect. So it was time for our new crew members to learn how to drive the boat.
That is 3 points off on forward bow.
Tyra was first.
It's the bearing relative to us, right?
And after a quick lesson on compass and relative bearings,
What I like to do is hold on to this with one hand.
I was on the helm. Ava was next on the helm,
Far up that close right there. So what you do,
and she picked it up quick.
you got a phone book for her?
There's a phone book.
Yeah, she can stand on it.
Throw another child down.
The rest of the crew just enjoyed the nice weather and the smooth ride. We were almost home when we came upon a huge pod of dolphins.
Oh my god, there's so many! Oh,
stayed with us for a long time. And the next thing we knew, we were pulling into our home port, Hanama'ulu Harbor.
Fender stays between us and that concrete post, okay?
We got Decisive docked.
And then got her all clean and ready for her next cruise.
Hi, world.
Oh wait, it wasn't recording.
And that was our shakedown cruise.
Thanks for watching.
We have an exciting season planned this year. And hopefully you'll join us next time on Cruising with Decisive.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. It's the one and only Digo Double G.